In this video, I will show you 5 quick Google Sheet tricks to clean and organize your data faster. Here the first trick: to quickly view the sum of selected numbers, just select the cells. At the bottom right corner, Google Sheet will show you the sum, average and count instantly. Now the second trick: you can switch rows into columns using the transpose function. Just type this formula. This will flip your data sideways or vertically. Here the third trick: to insert today's date in a cell. Type this formula. It will always show the current date and update daily. Let's go to the fourth trick. To fix name with wrong letters cases, use the proper function. Type this formula. This will make the first letter of each word capital, like John become John Dewey. And now the fifth and final trick. To clean unwanted spaces, use the trim function. Just type this formula. This removes all extra spaces from the text. Super helpful for cleaning up messy data. These 5 tricks can make your work in Google Sheet a lot easier. Try them out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.